Industrial Revolution. Written by Introbooks, narrated by Andrea Giordani. Preface. The 17th and 18th centuries witnessed major struggles for freedom and the flow of powers to the civic. The Americans battled the British for a free nation and to free their 13 colonies from the clutches of the English Parliament and King George III. Back in Europe, the French rebellion upheaved the political system, which left the continent shuddering when the French insurgents executed Louis XVI and his queen and established a republican government. Among these vicissitudes in Europe and America, there was another revolution taking its form, which was to bring about radical change in the history of all mankind. This revolution brought about a drastic change in the economics of America and Europe in all the sections, industrial and agricultural. The phase has been baptized as Industrial Revolution. As the economic changed from hands to machines, there was havoc and instigated great tensions and even vehemence in the society. The alterations brought about by the Industrial Revolution took rapidity in around mid-18th century. Normally, revolution happens in a short period of time, but the Industrial Revolution extended over many generations and the changes were plodding. What actually happened could be stated as evolution. However, if we look into the dramatic impact of the industrial drifts on the lives of the Americans, English and the continent, it was nothing less than a revolution. It all started from England and the Americans caught on, later spreading the revolution to other nations of Europe. There were machinists, tinkerers and inventors who created new things and eased down the work for mankind. Introduction. The Industrial Revolution was a changeover to new industrial processes from somewhere in 1760 to sometime between 1820 and 1840. This evolution comprised of moving from manufacturing goods with hands to machineries, bettered efficacy of water power, manufacturing of new chemicals and producing iron through new ways, usage of steam power, the advancement of machine tools and the upsurge of the factories. In terms of employment, fabrics were the leading trade of the Industrial Revolution. Keeping in mind the value of production and the principle invested, the fabric industry was the first to use contemporary manufacturing ways. The foundation of...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?